So you've created a digital product, put it out into the world, maybe posted once or twice, and nothing happened. No sales, no traction, just silence. I'm about to walk you through the 5 steps I use every time I want to make sales fast. And if you skip even just one of them, it won't work. Now, real quick before we get started, if you're the kind of person who doesn't want to piece it all together alone, my full system for creating and selling digital products is linked below. Now let's dive right in. I remember creating my first digital product, spending hours designing it, writing the description, listing it, and I thought I was going to wake up to Stripe notifications. Instead, nothing. Absolute crickets. Because I missed half of the steps I'm about to show you. Once I started using this exact 5-step playbook, I started seeing daily sales. So if your product isn't selling, it's not because the product is bad. It is because the system around it doesn't exist. This 5-step playbook is how I go from idea to sale without ads, without going viral, and without burning out. The first step is clarity. Know exactly who you're helping. Before you ever open Canva, you need to know exactly who your product is for. Not moms, not creatives, not side hustlers. Get surgical. You need one person, one problem, one moment in their life when they're most likely to need this. For example, don't say digital planners for busy women. Instead, say a time blocking system for ADHD moms trying to work from home with toddlers. Do you see the difference? If your buyer doesn't feel seen in your product, they will scroll. Specificity doesn't push people away, it makes the right people lean in. Step 2 is positioning. Rename the product to sell the transformation. This is where 80% of people go wrong. They name their product after the tool, not the outcome. Because people don't want templates. They want clarity. They don't want planners, they want control. So, for example, just a regular monthly planner becomes the 10-minute time saving system for overwhelmed moms. Or just a regular content calendar then becomes the 30-day no overthinking posting plan. Your title is the first conversion point. It should tell your customer this solves the problem you're tired of living with. So, with your digital products, I want you to ask yourself, what will they be able to do faster, easier, or without stress once they use my product? Pause this video, write it down. Also, let me know in the comments. Now, step 3 is visibility. I want you to build 5 strategic pieces of content that actually sell your product. Because posting your product once is not a launch. You need multiple angles to drive curiosity, connection, and clicks. So here is your minimum 5 post framework. The first one being a how-to tutorial. Show them how to use the product, even just one feature. Second post is a belief breaker post. So in this post, I want you to challenge your ideal customer's beliefs. Third post is a personal story post. Talk about the problem you faced and how you solved it. Fourth post is a before and after visual. Show their current chaos versus your product's simplicity. And the fifth post is social proof or mock-up testimonials. So I want you to use student wins, mock quotes, or DMs. Now, if you don't have social proof just yet, we are building up to that. And remember, not everyone buys on the first post. These 5 angles build the trust and clarity that gets them off the fence. Buyers need multiple exposures to trust your offer. If you're not showing up in different ways, you're invisible. Step number 4 is urgency. Give them a reason to buy now. Because a digital product that is always available without context feels like background noise. Urgency doesn't mean fake scarcity. It means give them a reason to act before they scroll away. And here are a few proven ways to add urgency without pressure. The first one is, for example, like a bonus only available for the next 2 days, the next 3 days. Another example is like founding price members for the first 25 buyers. Or another one could be once this countdown ends, this page closes. And remember, frame urgency around support, not pressure. Say things like, I reward fast action instead of like hurry or miss out. And trust me, this matters because we live in a scroll culture. Urgency creates a window where your offer feels present, not passive. And step number 5 is consistency. So don't post just once, post 15 times with 15 different angles. This is where the winners separate themselves. They don't create more products. they create more reasons to buy the one product that works. Now, here's how to stay consistent without repeating yourself. You can take one customer objection and make a post about it. You can take one result and make a post about it. You can show your product in 3 different formats: a mock up, a video, a time lapse. You can talk about your journey building it. You can talk about how it saves time for someone else. Pause this video and I want you to write down 10 ways your product helps people. That right there is 10 days of content. So you don't have to spin your wheels and create new products every week or every month. The algorithm doesn't reward one hit posts, it rewards patterns. Repetition builds recognition, and recognition builds trust, and trust builds buyers. This 5-step playbook is what I wish I had when I launched my first product. Now I use it on repeat and I still make sales every single day. So if your product isn't selling, you don't need to start over. You just need this system in place. And remember, if no one is buying your product right now, it's not because you're not good enough. It's not because the market is too crowded. It's because you're missing a few critical steps. But once you lock in this system, you become unstoppable. And if you want to stop second guessing everything and finally launch with clarity, confidence, and a product that's built to sell, my full system walks you through every piece, from the product idea to the content to the launch plan. It's linked below if you're ready to go all in. And if you've been telling yourself the market's just too saturated, you need to go watch this video next, where I break down exactly why that's a lie and how you can rise above the noise. Click that now and I'll see you there.